In this video, I will show you how to get views on YouTube without posting. So first, we need to navigate to a site called Rapid Boost Net. You can find the link to the site in the video description. Once we are on the site, we click at the menu at the top and look for YouTube views. On the subsequent page, we can select the number of views we want. For this tutorial, I will pick 1000 YouTube views. Next, we need to input our YouTube video link. So let's return to the YouTube app. And when we're on the video, we press the .share button and then copy link. After copying the link, we will paste it on the site. On the final page, we need to provide some payment details such as first name, last name, and email address. Now hit the place order button. Alright, now I will complete the payment and return in 5 minutes. As you can see, I received 1000 YouTube views. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.